Upload videos to Google Drive and share them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever found yourself needing to upload or share videos with your friends, family, or colleagues, Google Drive is super handy tool. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload your videos to Google Drive and easily share them with anyone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, let's get to Google Drive. Open your browser and go to Google Drive by searching google.com/drive. If you are not signed in, make sure to log in into your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will see all your folders and files if you have used Google Drive before. If not, no worries. Let's move to the next step. To upload your videos, click on the plus new button. Once you have done that, a drop down menu full of options will appear. Simply click on File Upload and it will open up a new window where you can go ahead and choose a video that you want to upload. Once you are done selecting videos, you can tap on Open and it will start sharing your videos on Google Drive. Depending upon the size of file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, you will be able to see your video appear in the Google Drive. If you can't find it, just look under the recent on the left sidebar. Now let's talk about how to share the video. Just click on the share button shown on the top right corner. This will open a window with a link to the video. By default, the link will be only work for the people you specifically share it with. To change that, click on restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Now, you can copy the link and send it to anyone via email, text, or even share it on social media. Once you have shared the video, anyone with a link or email invite can access it. They will be able to view the video directly from Google Drive, or you can even embed the video in the website of Vlog. And that's it. It's really easy to upload videos to Google Drive and share them with anyone, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. Google Drive make it super simple to keep your videos safe and accessible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.